Hey everybody, it's Manny and
Michelle from
the Huertas group at Extreme International Realty. Just wanted to record a quick video just to cover the steps about the home buying process. Step 1, you have to find a real estate professional. Find an agent who is qualified, trustworthy, and somebody who communicates well. That way you guys can discuss what type of property you're looking for, including the style, the price point, and location. Also, you don't pay our commission, the seller does. Just wanted to clarify that.
The second step in the home buying process is meeting with the lender to get pre-approved. During this meeting, they're going to ask you for some simple documents such as pay stubs, bank statements, and W-2s. Once all these items have been received and verified, the pre-approval amount will be determined, and then we can go to step 3, which is the fun part.
Like Michelle said in the last step, this is the fun step. This is when we actually search for your home. We will schedule showings and we will find the perfect home for you. There's websites out there. They're all not the same, but real estate agents have tools that will help us find your home the first time around with no hesitation.
Step 4. When you find your perfect home, it's time to make an offer. As your realtors, we will check the comparable properties in the neighborhood to ensure that you are not overpaying for your home.
Okay, step number 5 is we have to go through negotiation and then eventually the contract. Typically the first offer isn't accepted, so we may have to go back and forth. But once we find the right terms and conditions that fit you, then we'll go ahead and write the contract, and then we'll go over all the actual time frames so that way you obtain your financing and go through the inspection period and all the other questions you may have about the contract.
Step 6. You and the seller have both agreed to the price and terms, and by having an escrow deposit or an earnest money deposit, it effectively holds your house until closing.
Okay, step number 7. Right now we're just verifying all the final little details. We're basically performing all due diligence, making sure that the inspection is ordered, making sure that the appraisal is done. And then, of course, we're going to review every single little term with the lender just to get ready for closing.
Now we're in the last and final step of the home buying process, closing. At this point is when the funds that you deposited into your earnest money deposit account and the ownership is transferred. And then once all that is done through your title company or a third-party attorney, we can then go ahead and give you your keys. And guess what? Congratulations,
Home
you have a
ownership,
home.
baby.
Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch our video. If you want a copy of your very own home buying process, please make sure to sign up below. Thank you very much, and make sure to visit our website at www.thehuertasgroup.com, or you can call or text us at 954-380-3403 or 754-235-1420. Thank you very much and have an extreme day.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.